Hey everyone, it's Gamliel and it's our my daily review on the markets and the hottest stocks for today, trading day. We're talking about the 31 to May 2019. We're talking about the last day of the month of May, and let's see how we are doing in the markets. Not looking good. We can see the SPY is really we're few cents away from going down. Um, we saw Trump yesterday with his tweet on Mexico, and the market goes down further, 0.5% on the SPY, and we can see something that is pretty rare on the IWM. We talked about a few times on the IWM, which is going to maybe tell us the direction of the markets. The IWM is an ETF that follows the Russell 2000, which represent the 2000 small cap shares. Okay, so usually when the market goes down, the first that take the hit are the small caps. The small caps, and we can see it clearly at the IWM as the markets were hitting new highs. We can see where the IWM really far, something between almost 10%, maybe 7-8% from the high when the markets were breaking out, and the IWM is definitely could be the one that shows the way. And look at the rare thing I was talking about. Try to look for the chart on the chart in the history of the IWM of this. This you can see the breakout of the critical point at 160, and at the same month that we are going and breaking out the critical point and going up, we are going down hard and breaking down the last lows of the 3 previous months. You can try and check it. I don't know if you will find a candle like this one. It's pretty rare, and it shows us maybe the direction of the market, so be aware for that. Next one is let's talk about a few stocks. ADVM is going up. We can see is 6% up. We have a volume of 1 million shares. We don't have direct news, but the news were about the update of the clinical trial in the 15th of April and the 16th of May, and ADVM is going down further, so it will be interesting to watch. OBLN starting to going back to the highs. It's a very rare move. Usually stocks that go up, penny stocks that go up hundreds of percent and then going back down after they made a public offering, it's rare to see them back in 3 days up. OBLN, and we can see we went back up, but you need to be careful. Of course, we didn't succeed to close strong near the highs, so OBLN, but still represent a lot of interest here. Very interesting product, but the financial status in OBLN is not that good, but still will be interesting to follow. Next one, ELTK, another green day. We saw today the look at the high. We were 1156 and on ELTK. We finished a bit down, so still going up almost 20%, but further away from the 11.56. So we'll still need to follow. You need to watch out. It's the third day after 2 strong days, so you will need to watch out. And of course, the financial results that came out 3 days ago, they are responsible for this move you see here. Next one, we have IOVA. Yesterday we talked about the next candle, and we're seeing it's exactly what we thought. after we made a correction down of 2 days, 2 minor red days, came the green day with 1% up and the news. And yesterday we get a confirmation to this move as we're going up 4% and breaking out the 18. We still have of course a resistance here, so we'll need to see how IOVA handles this. Of course, the move here is a continuation to the news that were published at the 15th to May. You can see at the aftermarket. Next one is TNDM. TNDM, one of the impressive stocks. As we can see, the move of TNDM from the beginning of 2018, where we were at just a $2 stock, $2-3 stock, and now we are at $70 with TNDM, almost $4 billion market cap, 53 million on the float, almost 10% short float. TNDM, we don't have direct news, but all you can see here is you can see these are the report. We have a financial report of 2018, and here is the report for the first quarter of 2019, and we can see the investors are the stock is succeeding to hold here, and every chance it had to go down, we can see the investors came and just went back in and supported the stock, and we can see it going back up. So TNDM will also be interesting. We have very VERI. VRI is breaking out the 9.7. We have also financial reports in VRI. Look at this move from the last quarter of 2017. We went up from $8 to $75, and very now maybe found a bottoming. Need to be a little bit careful here because it's been a bit extended, and we can see it going up oftenly. So here we went up, a bit of correction, and then went up again a few days correction, went up, few days correction. So it maybe the energy here maybe could be low, so watch out from VRI. Next one is FSI. FSI is a low float, low market cap stock going up. Look at this move after the financial reports. Okay, financial reports are the one that making this one move. So we can see this is a continuation move. Okay, and this one is a stock that it takes time to develop the volume, so be aware for that. Next one, VEV. VEV is a monster of $23 billion market share, market cap, and we can see the reports, financial results. Okay, we can see the highs. We can see it from the beginning of 2018, where we were at $60 and now we're at $154. Again, pay attention, this is a big stock, so usually the moves are accordingly, and you need to be ready for the specific stock. Next one is Sprint, also a big monster, $28 billion market cap. But what we can see at the Sprint, first of all, we have news, and you can see the stock went down again. And look at yesterday, this is one of the moves with a very high probability to get a continuation, at least for one day. As we see, the day started red, third red day, we went down until the support at 6.58. You can see it's the same low, 6.58. And look at what the stock is making. Great move, rare move for a stock like Sprint. And it's not we supported at a 6.58. We went up hard, 5% up, and even going up from the previous day high, and we finished high, finished at the top. So today, if a sprint will go to 706, 707, maybe 7, and then we'll make the continuation move, it could be very interesting. Next one is PVH. Just a few short stocks. PVH, bad results. As we can see, the investors like the results of 2018, but the first quarter of 2019, just crashes the stock from from the 130 area to the 84, and we're breaking down. So PVH will be interesting for a short move. And next one is PRGO. All the pharmaceuticals like Teva, like Indu, we can see them breaking down. And PRGO also bad fundamentals, and also we can see the support does not hold here, and will also be interesting for a short. And cannabis stock Crohn. I talked many times about the downside that we have on Crohn. Bad report, bad earnings report we saw here at the 9th of May. Crohn went down, but as you can see, it succeeded to go up a bit, but we can see now that Crohn is going back down. And look at the weekly chart. As we can see, it made a try. It's tried to go up after the previous week, but immediately went back down. So Crohn will also be interesting for a short move. That's it. So we have ADVM, OBLN, ELTK, IOVA, TNDM, VERI, FSI, VEVS, PVH, PRGO, and CRON. I will wish you the best of success, and we will see each other next time. Bye bye.